Hi, I am Harshita Kalra. Today I am going to share my presentation of EDU 1003, which is the assignment 2. Now let's start with the significance of maths and activities promoting view of the maths. Mathematics refers to the study of signs, quality, quantity, pattern, and other elements in this world which are repeatedly used in process of expansion of technology. Mathematics and numeracy are essential in development of student learning as they can learn from their surroundings using myriad of shapes, patterns, measuring, and many more by playing activities that promote child thinking and problem solving strategies. Children mathematical abilities can grow by encouraging them to explore and showing their effectiveness in real world. Play-based learning play part and parcel role in children development of the maths concepts in early childhood education as they're curious to know new concepts, encouraged to learn with peers and have imagination experience. Now let's start with examples of rocks in nature. Rocks are part of the nature. They can be viewed from different ways, which include mathematical concepts such as volume, circumference, density, and so on. Different rocks have different shapes such as hexagonal, prism, tetragonal, as well as different angles. They can see maths in different types of the rocks in the earth crust. Rocks can be solid, large, small, and understanding symmetries and angles. Formation of rocks is subdivided into polygons through fractures, joints in rocks. Rocks has proper, improper stopping and front and extended chords. Understanding maths in rocks is quite good, otherwise we will not able to understand foundational concepts of the maths. Natural resources give preschoolers opportunity to explore their imagination without any limits. Now let's move to example 2. Using GPS device is a navigation device which uses 3D trilateration to locate location in circle. Probability and algebra are also used. The little difference between the two codes is used to know how long it will take to reach the satellite code to one who is receiving. The mathematics along with the technology play a crucial role in concept of the GPS as when we start GPS receiver, it start getting signals through satellites. We can also analyze different shapes such as north, south, east and west directions. Electromagnetic signals do move similarly at speed of the light. After that time travel is converted into distance. Geometry can be seen in the distance along with parallel lines and intersecting lines. Without maths, it will mislead us in directions, calculating distances. So, deeper knowledge of Newton's law of motion and Kepler's law of planetary motion is used in GPS. Now, move to the example 3 of managing our finances. Expenses of present and futures include mathematical concepts such as we need to make saving in the bank account by analyzing it and making circular flow of money accordingly. Next is investment, which includes mathematical concepts like management of the risks, calculations, probability, fractions, and comparison of cost are also used. Calculation of prices included maths in a way in which how much money is deducted from our bank, percentages, arithmetic, statistics, etc. Math skills are necessary, otherwise, one can face problem challenges in managing their finances. So, let's pay attention to the part 2, which is maths and numeracy in play. So, the name of the activity I made is the Rangoli activity. It is suitable for the 3 to 5 years of the age group. The Early Year Learning Framework Australia curriculum suggests the outcome 4, which is children are confident and involved learners. Outcome 5, children are effective communicators. Now, let's pay attention to the explanation of the activity. The purpose of this activity is to make introduce kindergartner with foundational mathematical and numeracy concepts while enjoying in learning environment. This activity will begin with the teacher by creating engaging, helping, inviting environment for toddlers and demonstrating the color rice and paper to preschooler and allowing them to draw any shape they want to make on the piece of the paper, and stencils are also given to them. Teachers should speak mathematical language like put in or put out. So this would play crucial role in the understanding the mathematical language along with constructive feedbacks are also required. So mathematical concepts throughout the activity are recognition of different shapes such as circle. rectangle, square, and oval, introducing them concepts of the arithmetic by teaching them to draw symbol of subtraction, addition, and many more. Make them understand concepts of the quantity like how much rice is required to fill this pattern, and different parallel, sleeping, slanting, standing lines are also introduced. They have made like how many circles, squares, dots, including the counting of the patterns, concepts of the fractions by asking them to divide area from one another. So here are some theories. Constructive theory shows that how toddlers learn from their surroundings by interacting socially with the peers by expressing their ideas. While doing this activity, they will also learn from the experiences which will develop in the discussions in the and also concepts in the form of the art. They will develop background knowledge behind the rangoli and will observe and create new shapes. Play-based theory, it will include they will develop skills of the sorting things, classifying and understanding the concepts along with the play also helps in cognitive development of child as they use imaginative and creative ideas to draw rangoli. Here are my references list. Thank you for listening my presentation.